Hello people, Joe here. How you guys doing?
Barbara here, guys. So today is our wedding anniversary, 37 years of marriage, 39 years of being together. And I did a live event earlier and I had Joe come sit in on the live with me. I only wanted it to go for 1 hour, but it went for what, 1 hour and 45 minutes and Joe couldn't bear it.
2 hours.
It was pretty close to 2 hours. It's 1 hour, 45 minutes.
What, 1:14? I couldn't go no more, folks. I'm not the type of person who can sit one place steadily. I can't do that.
It's hard to do live events though because the people are not there talking in your face. Like if you were at a party, but do you know what, Joe? You do that at parties too. Right. You'll go talk to a person and then when they're not looking, you just walk right away. No. And the person didn't even know you left. Or you'll bring the person to me and go, hey, meet so-and-so. And then you leave them with me and you go meet somebody else new.
I could sit, once the person is live, I could see him in different. That's okay. But I just can't sit there at that camera and talk because pretty soon I get sleepy and I start to move. I got to get out of there.
He got restless leg syndrome. And I don't mean to be teasing because people have that stuff legit, but he just couldn't bear it. I'm like, somebody said, where did Joe go? I said, Joe left, he ain't coming back. I already knew he wasn't coming back. But Joe, yesterday video for Vlogmas Day 19 came out so good. I lined up what we were saying on the swing last night before I went to bed. Okay. And then when I lay down in bed, I realized what images I wanted to cut away to, like the videos and the pictures. And I had to do a lot of searching inside photo albums, but my photo albums are labeled. Like it'll say, when was Joshua born? 1989. So it starts 1988 when I was pregnant with Joshua, and it goes to like maybe 1990. And then I put next to it what everything is. Oh, this is what was happening, because you could write in the stuff. So I was able to go, okay, we got that machine in 06, go find the album from 06, go through it, and I was able to find those easier than the stuff that I had to go look for on Facebook. But I think your people really enjoyed the story about what you did for a living. You did it for 36 years. So tell me, I asked you in yesterday's video, after you saw me edit that video and put it out, do you miss anything about that line of work, babe?
Not really. I don't even think about it no more. Honestly, I don't. The only time I think about it is when they bring it up or somebody else bring it up.
Joe, I feel like if you and I were to divorce, you would even think about me.
No, I'll think about you.
Ah, you think about me, baby? I don't think he would.
Just when they bring the money to me.
So I'll have to pay you alimony?
Yeah.
What the hell? Joe's like that. When he done, he done. It's like, why you bring that up for again? That's gone. That business is gone. But I feel like your viewers needed to see what you did for a living for 36 years. And you are living proof that you can keep reinventing yourself. So if your viewers are stuck in a job that they don't like, just think about this. Quit. I know you might can't quit because you have a family to feed, whatever, but look for a different job. And start to make that move to quit, because when Joe lost his job, silk screening plastic bottles for the man, we did it for ourselves for 15 years. And then while I was there doing it, I told Joe I didn't like it. I said, I'm doing it to assist you, and I'm going to always be by your side assisting you, but I want to do something different. And he says, what do you want to do? And I said, I want to write a book, right? And he says, well, write the book. He acted like it was that easy, right? And he pushed me, and I wrote that first book. What's that book again? The Small Change Diet. It was about my weight loss and weight gain up and down. I kind of just started with what I knew, right? Then I did the Belizean cookbook, the one the man's ripping me off with. And then I just started to write all these cookbooks, and Joe's just always by my side to push me, right? Okay. So you went from bottle printing to flipping cars to building stuff out of wood, to building like arts and crafts stuff like the fruit bowls, and now you're a content creator doing trying to do. No, you're doing it. You're not trying to create content. You are. It just takes time to grow. They say, I took a lot of mentorship classes this year, and they say if you're not getting views to your YouTube videos, it's because you're making videos people don't want to see. You might be happy with the videos you're making because you want to see it, but people don't want to see it. And it's a harsh reality to face, but I think it's true to a lot of degrees.
It's true. It's not a lot.
Vlogmas has been rough because it's like hard finding content. But we're getting through it. We've got 4 more days. Today's Vlogmas day 20. We're going to quit. The last Vlogmas is going to be day 24.
How much do I got? 4 more days? Mm-hmm. And if I can make 4 more days.
You can make it, baby. You got me.
It's a long drive.
I am the wind beneath your wings.
You know, sometimes we get to the finish line, you can't make it no more anyway.
Yeah, but then you always have that one person that comes and pick you up. You know, I like to watch sporting things like that when you see like somebody, they're fiercely competing and then something might happen where they twist their ankle or something. Let's say they're running and that person was going to win and the person stopped to help. Oh my God, I cried tears because that to me is better than any win, you know? It really and truly is. And this is me coming from a household of sporting people because my dad was a cyclist and, you know, he always tried to win, of course, and he won a lot of races. But I like that kind of sportsmanship where you stop and help the fellow man. I don't believe it's always about winning, 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 winning. You know what I mean? Mm-hmm. Okay. You think you told the people, did you enjoy your anniversary?
Yes, I do.
You got 2 pants that you like?
Your 2 pants.
Uh-huh.
I cook my fish.
It's damn fish.
These people don't like I cook in their house. But that don't stop me.
Do you fry that fish today?
Yeah.
It was fried in the house?
Yeah.
It didn't smell too bad. What did you do?
Clean it good.
Clean it good? Okay.
I put
The dinner came out good too. I enjoyed it. Thank you, baby, for cooking. And I didn't eat any dessert because all we have is black cake. So I want to save that more for Christmas, you know? I'm good though. I don't need no dessert. All right, baby. Wrap up your show.
So, folks, thank you guys again for subscribing, like, share, and all those good things. And I always end with, without you guys, I couldn't make it happen. So thank you guys. See you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.